Hello, beautiful souls. How are you all doing? Right now, we're in a roller coaster of processing timelines, and it's so many things that you are processing as your lineage and all that you have been throughout time and space. We're working as we're awake. So you might feel so sleepy. You're walking and you're like, am I asleep? Am I awake? Am I asleep? Am I awake? And everything that you're feeling is the processing of so many timelines and simultaneously living your own life in the 3D here. So if you feel a little bit weird, it's the energies. It will be okay.